With the upcoming GST rate changes in India effective from 22nd September, we are excited to offer 4 brand new add-ons designed to make your transition smooth and efficient. Number 1. Bulk Change GST Rate in Item Masters via Excel Export and Import. Number 2. Bulk Change GST Class in Item Masters via Excel Export and Import. Number 3. Display old and new GST rates on invoice prints. Number 4. Bulk update entire GST details in Item Masters via Excel Import. Are you looking for a solution that you can't find anywhere else? Book an appointment with us. Feel free to discuss your customization requirements in your preferred language, English, Hindi, Tamil, or Malayalam. WhatsApp us at 9037050040.